It is officially the last day of car week here in Arizona, and today is supposed to be the best day out of all of them, which is going to be crazy. So we're about to hop in the M3 and go. It's another like 35-ish minute drive. I am so tired. I can't even explain how tired I am, but let's go ahead and head there. There's supposed to be a crazy amount of supercars, and yeah, let's get on the road. Oh, where'd you come from? We are 5 minutes out. Pretty sick. Holy crap. We just got here and there's already an RWB. And a 720. Oh. Oh! That was almost bad. Is that a Carrera? Oh, it is. Uh-oh. Oh, fuck. Wow. Oh, damn. Yeah, I think this event's gonna be crazy.
Yeah, I think so.
Holy moly. Oh. See, I want one so bad.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, no, that's an LFA there.
No.
He's about to turn in here. Right there, I think that's a 300 SL. The one that's about to pull out right now. That's just $1.4 million.
What?
Yep.
That old car?
Yep. 300 SL. No, that's that? Better.
What is that?
I don't know. Oh my gosh. Oh, good gravy. You see, I forgot. I've never seen an alien on the road.
What is that? No, that's not a crazy one.
No, because that's a race car.
Yeah, what's it doing here? What is that?
I just don't know. That thing is wild, though. Damn. That thing is insane. Yeah, that thing is crazy. See, those old Porsches are kind of growing on me.
Yeah, I don't mind them.
Like those headlights,
yeah.
I really like. I used to hate them, but now I don't really mind them. Coming right at you here, right down the center. No, it's that prismatic Corvette. I don't know. Oh, this is the full carbon body Challenger I was telling you about. That's insane.
Wow.
Full carbon. The whole thing. It's crazy.
I'm trying to wear different colorful stuff.
I think in there is where we would get food and stuff. Oh, damn.
Is that a good license plate?
Is that a stance to buy?
Yes.
That's not real.
It is.
$765 LT.
You like these wheels?
I do. I don't like the bronze on the blue, but that thing is clean.
Yeah,
Clean. Oh my goodness.
you like
Oh, there's the Carrera. Oh gosh, dude. That is Huh? Is it?
From these years.
Damn.
Some of them have it.
Ah, there it is. It's 1.4 mil. Yeah.
Hey.
RWB. Holy crap. There's the LFA.
I'm outside. Why are you outside?
Oh, another Carrera. Oh, another Carrera. Oh, another Carrera. All right. Oh man.
Yeah.
This is wild.
I
kind of fuck with it. Damn. Another one. Oh, this is like heaven.
Oh my god, I can't wait.
GT2. Yeah. That was very similar to the one I saw yesterday. Oh.
Yeah.
No, that's a wild. Full Alcantara interior. Oh. Oh. Yeah, it's a Senna, Chiron. Holy moly. Now that yellow is... That is full carbon.
Yeah.
Holy crap. Holy crap. It's like perfect leather condition. Oh my gosh. Technica, 4GT. What do you mean that's all chrome?
That's a god.
Yeah. Oh damn, the Koenigsegg pulled up.
So many people.
Yeah, that's speed 6. That was at 4 till 4. Yeah.
You still have some time. Oh,
This thing is wild. Holy dog.
This is your house? He's like, yeah. He's like, where are you going? I was like, I found my mama house, like, right up the street. He's like, oh.
There's this event and Pavs.
Yeah.
That's going to be rough. So I'm going to wrap up this event, and I will see you guys when we're on the road to Pavs. Oh, one of the buddies showed up. That shit is whistling like crazy. Yeah, that thing whistles like crazy. Alright, this thing is wild.
It needs air ride, though. A lot of bells. Yeah.
Holy crap.
You got air ride over here.
Wild. It's crazy that a lot of you guys don't know this is the exact colorway the M3's going. Same exact green. With the carbon hood and carbon fenders. Same exact colorway. Oh my god, it's finally an M3. That's on. God damn. right, well, I'm gonna go ahead and put the camera back until it gets a little bit darker because there's supposed to be a lot more cars showing up, and this is just the start. And my hand's kind of getting tired carrying this thing around, so I will see you guys here in just a second. All right, I am officially back home. I know it was another really steep cut in the video, like my last one, but I am so ridiculously tired. It is 9:20. I completely forgot I even had my camera in my car. It got way too dark and completely lost track of time. I am sitting here editing this video right now, and I'm actually on the verge of falling asleep, so I'm trying to get this out. I will have it out tonight 100%. But if you guys did enjoy this series of Car Week, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button. And if you guys did enjoy this video, hit the like button and comment what your favorite car was. And I will see you guys next time. Love you guys.